He nui ngā mahi I te whare mere I tēnei wiki. Ko ngā kai pāmu, kai whakatipu rākau Māori, te aronga nui.
Congratulations to the finalists for this year's Ahu Whenua Trophy competition.
Nā ko ngā tūru Māori te aronga nui, mō Winston Peters.
The Māori Party themselves don't want the Māori seats. They say they don't want this colonial construct. They want a separate parliament, separate laws, separate land.
Nā tōna pire mema kia pōtihia te oranga tonutanga o ngā tūru Māori, kua kārawa te ahi.
The Māori seats are in one of the most powerful positions it has ever been. It has ever been, and that frightens people like Winston Peters and New Zealand First.
They hold the majority of the Māori seats and do not turn up to Parliament, disregard the rules and processes, and show utter disdain for the system that gives them the seats they hold. They represent no one.
He tere te whakahoki a Rawiri Waititi kia Peters.
I take a phrase from a song by Luther Vandross. A chair is still a chair, even if there's no one sitting there. And so we got somebody who drops bombs and then takes off. But I just want to say about the Māori seats. Back in 1867, when they established the Māori seats, those Māori seats were put in place. And the purpose was to break down the Māori organisations who opposed the sale of Māori land.
Nā ko Huhana Linden tērā e tautoko ana ia Waititi.
What's wrong with having Māori voice at the table in a dedicated way that is accountable to our people? For good or for bad, I'm at the table too, and I am here in a different capacity. I need the here back to our people, and that's what dedicated Māori seats offer us. So how te he o tērā? How te he o tērā?
So my thing is to this House, National, rule it out. Labour, rule it out. And let's get this rubbish out of this House and ensure that the rights of te iwi Māori under te tiriti o Waitangi are entrenched. Kia ora tātou.
Hioi tāria te wāka ki te he aha te anamata o ngā tūru Māori I te whare nei. Ripika timu, tuia.